Hello everyone, welcome to Explorer Hop. In this problem, we're told we have a Bernoulli experiment with a 60% chance of success in each trial. If we do 4 trials, we need to find the possible combinations using the binomial theorem. I've written the binomial theorem here, which basically helps us expand this type of expression. To find the combinations from this Bernoulli experiment, we need to do p plus q to the n expanded using the binomial theorem, and the coefficients of the resulting expression will be our combinations. So if we sub in the values that we know, n is 4, so we'll have 4k, a is p, and b is q. If we solve this, we start with 4, 0, p to the 4, q to the 0. And then we just continue expanding the entire expression until k is equal to 4. Finally, we have k equaling to 4 with p to the 0 and q to the 4. Now, these expressions right here, they actually tell us how many trials are successes and how many are failures, so we want to keep it in, but we want to calculate the coefficients. So 4, 0 is 4 factorial over 4 factorial, which is 1. 4, 1 is 4 factorial over 1 factorial times 3 factorial, which is 24 over 6, which is 4. Next we have this, 2 factorial times 2 factorial, which is 24 over 4, and that gives us 6. 4, 3 is 4 factorial over 1 factorial times 3 factorial, which is the same as the other one, so it's 4. And then 4, 4 is 4 factorial over 4 factorial, which is 1. Now that we have all these coefficients, we can put them back into this equation to get 1 p4q0 plus 4 p3q1 plus 6 p2q2 plus 4 p1q3 plus 1 p0q4. Now what is this telling us? So right here, we have p to the 4, which means 4 of the trials were a success. And the coefficient right here is 1. So that tells us there's only one way that all 4 trials can be a success, and that's like this. Now if we look at the next one, we have 3 successes and 1 failure. And there's 4 ways to do that. So we can easily find that it's like this, right? Those are the 4 possible ways of doing it. So all of these coefficients are the combinations of each number of failures or successes. Thank you for joining us. We'll see you in the next lesson.